Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bee inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute bee, let's first start by drawing the body shape. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve for the top. So I'm just aiming to draw my usual dumpling shape, but just a little bit longer for the Squishmallow shape. So it's just a little bit narrower at the top. And then we're going to bring this down. And it's all up to you how short or tall you want to make your Squishmallow. So say about right there, I'm going to keep bringing it down, because you can always stretch them out or squish them, right? And so it's up to you. So about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So I'm going to start to round it off. And about here, I'll start to connect it at the bottom with a shallower curve. So just go ahead about right here, back and forth, and then connect. There, so just this basic shape right here for a Squishmallow. Then from there, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So right behind this area, a little bit towards the top, I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another big circle. So now that I have my circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So that I have my eyes in, let's go back and spruce them up. I'm going to add some lashes right here. If you want to make it a queen bee, Queen Bumble Bee. So just come in here, 2 small curves, and I'll come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then from there, in between the eyes, I'm going to come about right here in the center and just draw a sweet smile. So just a curve across and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and draw the tummy area. So right in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this kind of ovalish shape. So I'm just going to bring this up, tapering in, and then go up towards the center. This nice round curve, and then about right here is my center. I'm going to start to come right back down, just like the other side, and taper it in. There. And then to make it a bee, we're going to add some stripes. So in this area, I'll just simplify and add 3 stripes. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve that goes across so that our bee looks a little bit rounder. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just going to give myself some points so I know where I'm going. Makes it a bit easier. And I'll just follow my top. And one more. So let's say about right here. Drag it across. And one more. There. And so then I'm just, I'll color it in later. Let's come back here and draw the top right here with a crown. So right in the center, let's just kind of find our center, and I'll just go up a little bit. So right about right here, give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw 2 angle lines right in the center. And then I'm going to come out again, 2 smaller ones, and then come in to create our crown. So same thing here, come out at an angle, and then come in. Then from there, we're going to draw the antenna. So I'm going to come right here and just curve around about there, and then let's thicken it up. And same thing here. Let's go up curl and then thicken it up. There. And then now to draw the wings. So I'm going to come to the sides right here, and in this area, I'm just going to pop out a wing. So a bigger curve for the top one, and then it's just draw a smaller one for the bottom one and bring it in. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag some points across, just sort of approximately the same area. So once again, nice big curve for the top, and then a smaller one. There. And I thought it'd be really cute, since it's just a drawing, not an actual plush. We could add a little stinger here if you want. So right in the center, I'll say about right here. If you want to do that, I'm going to come right here and just draw this kind of little V round off the bottom. There. And then you can even add like maybe a little path that our bee is going on, just to make it extra cute. There. And let's see, so I'll come in here real quickly and just shade in everything that is black, just so you can see it a little bit easier. So thank you, cuties, for continuing to love all the Squishmallows that I've drawn for you. And definitely keep continuing to comment and let me know and request which other Squishmallows you want me to help you draw that you love. And so like right here, I'm just going to go ahead and shade in the 3 stripes. There, and then last but not least, let's also shade this stinger in black as well. That's if you want to add a stinger. And I'll just come in here and thicken up my oval. And that is pretty much it for this drawing. And I'll come right here, since I don't have a space to put a heart, I'm going to do it right here and add a heart on this crown. Kind of like this heart jewel, right? For this draw so cute, bees inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope you love this drawing and that I helped you draw this cute bee fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.